I found the laziest and most passive way that people are earning money online all over the world, and you don't need any experience. You don't need to be an influencer or sit in front of the camera like what I'm doing right now. You do not need to design products or write books, and also, you don't need to sit all day long carrying out surveys hoping to get paid. What is even better is you do not need a lot of money to get started. We're going to be using this AI tool I just discovered, and it's absolutely free. It's going to be doing all the work for you in less than 10 minutes, and you can use your smartphone or whatever device you have. If this is your first time on my channel and you're wondering, who the heavens is she? Hi, my name is Claudia Fonguh, and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can make money online, and how you can build wealth. If these are the kind of content you're interested in, do consider to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and watch this video till the end to get the most value from it. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for your loyalty. I appreciate all the efforts you put into growing this small, amazing community. Thank you all so much. Let's jump into what I call the best, laziest way to earn money from the online space. Using this AI tool called Build Your Store, what this AI tool will do for you is it's going to help you build a complete Shopify store for free, and it will help you to utilize and sell other people's products. And when you sell this product, you will get paid even without having a product yourself. But it is important for you to get a high traffic source that will help you get sales. I know this sounds all confusing, but I'm going to show you how you can get this done in less than 10 minutes. Now, the first thing for you to do is to go to the description or to the comment section. Click on that link right there so you will get your free AI built online store. The most difficult part of all this is deciding the kind of product you want to sell. So what you have to do right here is to go to Google Doc, type in 10 to 20 kind of products you want to sell. And first of all, you have to think of those things that you love more. Like if we're talking about the women, we talk of makeup, we talk of hair, we talk of jewelry, we talk of shoe, handbag. And for the guys, I don't know what you really like, but think of the things you love best, and then write 10 to 20 of them. When you are done, come over to this website builder. So right here, this is a free website builder. Get a free AI built Shopify store in less than 2 minutes. A fully optimized Shopify store that comes with winning products and ready to sell. So what you have to do is to click right here on build my free store. Now you can choose your niche right here, choose your banner for your homepage, and then you create your Shopify store. So we're going to click right here to choose your store niche. Pick a niche. Fashion and apparel. We have pets, we have electronics and gadgets, we have home and gardens, we have sport and fitness, and we have I am not sure. But remember, we already have a list of things we are interested in, like makeup, shoes, handbag, hair, and a lot more. So what you have to do is to select any of the niche that is closer to what you are interested in. So right here, we click on fashion and apparel and click on update. Choose banners for your homepage. We've designed 6 banner options for your homepage. So right here, you have to select any of these banners that you want to be on your homepage. I love this one right here. So just click on it and you click on update, or you select it and click on update. Create your Shopify store right here. If you use the link on the description or the link on the comment section, it's going to give you 3 days free trial, and after that you're going to be paying $1 every month for this. All right, so what you have to do right here is to come below here and click on Access Shopify to create your Shopify account. Bring your ideas to life for $1 per month. And remember, you have 3 days free trial for using my link. And right here, put in the email you want to use. Let's get started. Which of these best describes you? So you can actually come here and click on any of this, or you come below here and click on skip or skip all. Now, if you click on skip, it's going to take you to the next page right here, and you also need to fill in all this information, or you better still just click on skip all. Where would your business be located? So I'm in Nigeria right now, and definitely the business will be located right here in Nigeria. So click on next. Create a Shopify account. If you have a Shopify account, you can come right here and click on already have a Shopify account. If not, you can use any of these to create your account in less than seconds. You can use your Google, you can use your Facebook, you can use Apple or your email. Right here, while your shop is ready, come over here and copy this URL right here because you're going to be needing it. And the next thing to do is to go back to create my Shopify store, and you click right here on done. Amazing. It's going to give you access right here to your store, and what you have to do with the URL you copied is to paste it right here, and you click on save, and then you click on done. Grab your Shopify discount. So what you do right here is to scroll below and click right here on Access Shopify, and it's going to show you the discount you have. So this is my Shopify shop right here. So right here we have the free plan. Monthly we have $1 for a month. We have a free trial right here. And from the 25th, we're going to be paying $1 for every month. And it's a basic plan, and you can come right here to the left hand side of your screen and fill in the information that is necessary: your first name, your card number, the month, year, CVV, and all that is needed. Subscription successful. What you have to do right here is to confirm your name and your address. All right, so just go through and check the list, and then you can click on confirm business address. And one thing I want you all to know is you need to have a phone number on your shop, because this is a business and a lot of customers will want to contact you, and you will not want to have your personal contact right here to be receiving calls at odd hours. So what I would advise you to do is to come over to Google Voice right here, and then you create a number for your store. Now you can create for personal use or for business, and what you have to do is to click on whichever one you want to create, and then click right here on get started and create your number. Then you come back to your Shopify store and you put the number right here and click on confirm business address. At this point, we're almost done. So what you have to do is to go back right here and click on done, and then it's going to bring you over here, install build your shop app. So click on install app below, and then you click on install. That is all you have to do, install app. And then right here you click on install. Make your shop unique. So all you have to do right here is to click on customize my shop, and this AI is going to customize your shop for you. And just like that, AI is building your online store. You're not seeing it right now, but I'm going to show you what has happened behind the scenes. The next thing is to allow this AI to add products to your store. And what you have to do is to register for Auto DS. And what Auto DS does is that it's going to select winning products that have proven over time to be successful. And then it will add things like prices, photos, and everything you need to succeed in sales. And when you get a sale, they will ship the products to your customer while you earn complete passive income. Come with me. Let's go set this all up. add top selling products to your store, what you have to do right here is to scroll below and click right here on register auto DS. Start your trial and automate your dropshipping business. So you can do this with your Google account, or you can fill in your details right here and click on join. And remember to always put in the same email address you use in creating this Shopify account. Select your selling channel. Obviously, there are several selling channels that you can select right here, but remember, we are doing this with our Shopify account, so you have to click right here on Shopify. To be able to complete this, you have to select a package. This right here, we have $19 per month, we have $29 per month, we have $49 per month. But the good news here is we are using everything free on this video. So AutoDS is giving us a 30 days free trial if you are using the link I drop on the description or on the comment section. But before you proceed with this, you need to select a plan, and this does not mean that you're going to pay. When the 30 days is over, maybe you have not made a sales or anything, then you can cancel it right there. So you have to pick a plan. And as you can see right here, it says after trial, you would pay $248. Now, you can actually cancel this after your free trial, your 30 days free trial. It is up to you. And you can either use PayPal, Payoneer, or you use your card. So it is up to you. If you have any of this payment method, you can select it and then fill in all your information right there. Thank you for registering, and right here they want to know where you got this information from. So you have to select where you got the information, and I got it from YouTube and you two are getting it from YouTube. So click right here, scroll below, and then you put in the channel, the name of my channel as you're watching me right now, and you click on submit. We have AutoDS and Shopify right here, and what you have to do is to come below here and continue, but you have to select one of these. I have a Shopify store connected to AutoDS. Definitely that's what we want to do. Use AI to generate a pre-built Shopify store for me. We've already done that. So we click here and we click on continue. And when you're done with this, you come over right here and you click on done. Amazing. The final step of creating the store is to publish your store. So let's publish the store that we've created. And the next thing is to publish your store. Now scroll below and you're going to see right here, access Shopify to publish store. Click on it and it's going to take you or redirect you to this page. Now, right here, it will be very important for you to click on restrict access to visitors with the password. And when you are done with that, come right to the bottom and click on save. Now, when you're done with that, come over to your store right here and click on done. Amazing. So let's see all the behind the scenes, and what you have to do is to click on access my store. So what you have to do right here is to click on access my store, and it's going to bring you over to your store, and this is our store right here. We have here our fashion store, we have home, new arrivals, we have contact us, we have track your order. Remember, we have our email and the number on our store, so our customers can actually reach out to us. And if you scroll through, you're going to see the new arrivals right here. We have 4 items and we have the prices, we have the pictures right here. And then if you scroll below, you're going to see our customers speak. This is so that any customer that comes to your store right now will be convinced that you would actually deliver this product. Right here, we already have 3 testimonials from Donna, we have from Sophia L, and from Michelle B. All right, and amazingly, we already have about us. We have our FIC, we have right here shipping policies, return policies. order tracking, so you can actually track the orders on your shop. We also have here terms and condition. And imagine you trying to create the store on your own. You're going to take at least 3 weeks to be able to do this, but this AI tool has done it in less than 10 minutes. You can read through and then you edit whatever you want to edit on this. All right, so it's as simple as that. If you want to know how to link your shop directly to your Facebook account, Instagram, TikTok, and any other social media platform, let me know in the comment section and we're going to work on that, or create a video or have a live session on that. Amazing, right? If you love the research so far and you want to be seeing content like this, please do not forget to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and keep watching this video till the end. Now, this is where your own work begins. This amazing AI tool has already created a store for you, and all you need is to sell. How do you draw traffic to your store? Now, the first way you can draw traffic is to share your link to your other social media accounts. And one of the great ways you can actually sell, or one of these platforms that can draw you clients or customers to your store, is TikTok. We also have Facebook, we have Instagram, and the almighty YouTube. YouTube is one of those platforms that will help you draw sales to your store. All you have to do is to link your store to your YouTube channel or your YouTube account and your other social media platforms. Okay, you can do that on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, and any other social media platform that you are in. You can also share this link on your WhatsApp. WhatsApp is also a great place that people are always there to see different information, hear in and hear out. So WhatsApp is another great social media platform where you can share your store link and draw high traffic to your store. Another way you can also draw high traffic to your store is by running ads about the kind of product you sell in your store. Also, share the information with your family, your friends, your neighbors. I mean, anyone that comes around you, you can tell them about this new store that this amazing AI has created for you. I mean, you don't need to express how you created the store. Your store is right there. You just tell them what you're selling, the kind of product you're selling, and definitely they will queue into buying products from you, and you'll be earning passive income without any stress. Let me know how this plays out for you on the comment section. Have you been able to create your account? Were you successful? Do you love your account? Have you been able to make any sales? Have you been able to link your store with your social media account? This is very important because this is the easiest way. I mean, you do not need to pay anyone to link your store with your social media account. It's just to link it and then you start drawing sales. There are other ways you can draw high traffic, but you have to pay to promote your store. I mean, pay maybe bloggers, pay people, to talk about your store. But the easiest way is to link your store to your social media accounts and also to tell people around you about your store. If you love the research so far and you want to be seeing content like this, do click on that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on our next topic. We're going to talk about how you can search for winning products online to be able to add on your store. We're going to talk about how you can create an Amazon account. We're going to talk about how you can create an Etsy account and a lot more. So you don't want to miss out on any of our subsequent topics. So click on that notification bell so you'll be reminded each time we upload a video. Love you all and see you on our next amazing video on how you can use your smartphone to earn money from the online space. Bye bye.